G'day cocktail lovers, this is a mystery box. For my birthday I got a subscription so that every 3 months a surprise bottle of booze comes in the mail. This arrived today. Super keen to see what's in here. Snake Track vodka from the Timboon Distillery. People who know me will know I'm not really a vodka person, but I like the Timboon Distillery. Ooh, and there is actually a vanilla bean in here. Info sheet. This is a grain-based vodka with an infusion of vanilla bean. Made using unmalted barley, mashed fermented, before being distilled in a 600 litre copper pot still. Spirits triple distilled, reaches an ABV of 74%, and then it's cut back to 40%. And so it says, try this. Recommended thing is this peach schnapps, pineapple juice, cream and ice. Bit of a dessert cocktail. Well, I'm just going to try the vodka. Get the crack rather than the pop because it's a screw top, not a stopper. Looks like vodka to me. Oh, and it certainly has a little bit of a vanilla aroma. I was about to say, it actually just tastes really clean, but then the vanilla comes through on the end. It's got a bit of burn for a vodka. They say best served from the freezer. I think this would go well in a dessert cocktail. I'll have to try that. They recommend trying this vodka in a fairly simple recipe they call a white night. We go with 1 ounce or 30 mils of the vodka, and this is all equal parts. So then we're going 1 ounce, 30 mils of a fruit liqueur. I'm actually using a watermelon liqueur. 1 ounce or 30 mils of pineapple juice, and finishing off with 1 ounce of cream. Add ice to your shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds, strain it into a chilled glass, and this is the White Night. It's got a very faint pinky orange tinge to it from the liqueur. It's actually quite a nice dessert drink. A little bit of that vanilla is carrying through, giving it a vanilla ice cream flavour. I feel like these subscription type things are probably all around the world, different companies doing it. I find it a lot of fun. Hey, in 3 months I'll have another one and I'll show that off as well. But until then, take care and cheers.